Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. If you are new, hello, welcome. My name is Jess, and on this channel, my husband Jeremy and I show you how to create the home you love with the money you have. In today's video, we're gonna take you on a tour of our freshly renovated kitchen. We're gonna start this tour out in our dining room. Now, as you can see, our dining room and our kitchen are essentially the same room. They're just kind of divided by the bar that you see behind me. The first thing that we did in here was rip up the tile floor in our entryway, dining room, kitchen, and that's really where the renovation began. So most everything in here stayed the same, like furniture and everything. So the big change was the floor, and then also the color scheme. I went ahead and painted everything white and added black accents. We did go ahead and change out the trim to a more craftsman trim, as well as added the shiplap to the bar. Let's go take a look at the kitchen. So a lot of our time and money went into this part of the renovation. Instead of changing out the existing cabinets, we went ahead and looked into just refacing the cabinet doors and drawers. After looking into a company and seeing how much they were gonna charge, we went ahead and decided to tackle that project on our own. So we ended up building the cabinet doors, drawers, and boxes. One of the big changes that I wanted to make was moving the microwave. Believe it or not, there used to be a microwave hanging right here. We had a short cabinet with the microwave hanging below it, and the microwave hung really low, almost making it impossible to use this counter space. So we made plans of moving that into the pantry, which I'll show you later. But Jeremy ended up having to make a whole new cabinet for right here, and it looks pretty seamless. Since we were already changing out the cabinet doors, we went ahead and took the opportunity to change out the hinges to a soft close hinge. Now, this wasn't necessary, but man, does it make a big impact. Jeremy hates rugs in the kitchen and dining room, but I mean, how can you argue with this beauty? It's good, right? Let me know in the comments if you are anti-rug in the kitchen and dining room or pro. Just like we did with the cabinet doors, we did the same with the drawers. So we changed out the drawer slides to an undermount soft close. And what the undermount does is it allows you to pull out your drawer further out, accessing the things in the back. And then you don't see them on the sides, so they're pretty. Thankfully, our existing countertops, although they weren't my preferred style, they went with the color scheme that I was going for. So it was nice to not have to break into the budget for new countertops. We had previously changed out the backsplash to this shiplap. So when it came time for renovations, we just updated the paint. And then I added this peg rail to the shiplap to allow for hanging things and adding a little more character to kind of break from all of the white. So I knew I wanted to frame out this window to match the one in the dining room, but in order to do that, we had to take off the crown molding around the top of the cabinets. And so we just changed that out to a flat trim, and I feel like it really goes well with the shaker style cabinets. So off of the kitchen is this little bit of an oddball area. It would have been a great opportunity to extend the kitchen, adding more cabinetry, but instead I thought it would be a great spot to add a vintage piece. So we found this antique hutch on Facebook Marketplace for around $100. And then off of this is this fun spot for just our four-legged sons. We built this farmhouse doggy table I thought was really cute. And then I like to pretend that these are portraits of their grandparents. And as an added bonus, we thought we'd give you a peek into our pantry. This is where the microwave ended up going. So we ended up ripping out the existing pantry, adding in the upper cabinets as well as the lower cabinets, adding the drawers, which have been a dream for organization. All right, so that wraps up our kitchen tour. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, be sure and hit us up in the comments or on Instagram. We have several videos covering most of these renovations and projects, so be sure and check those out.